Today I am going to do classification activity. Now classification of oil. This is groundnut oil. This is coconut oil. This is castor oil. Now classification of stationery materials. This is a scale, this is a pencil, and this is a sketch box. Now I am going to do classification of fruits. This is a mango, this is a pomegranate, and this is a orange. Now I am going to do a classification of vegetables. This is a potato, this is a onion, and this is a tomato. Now I am going to do classification of masalas. This is garam masala, this is curry masala, and this is biryani masala.
Going to develop transparent. This is plastic tumbler, mixie jar. This is paper cover. This is one-use mask, and this is cover. This is translucent. Plastic plate and plastic cup, mask, plastic cup, cap, plastic cap. This is opaque, cardboard, ice cream cup, steel tumbler, and mixie jar, and mask.